Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to update your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where in the top right corner you can get started logging into your account. So after logging into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by the main website where you can start opening up the website you want to use. And after opening up your website, you'll be greeted by this home page where in the left side screen you can open up all the sections you have for your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now guys, we can get started and looking how we can update our website. You can see there is no update option right here. That is because WordPress does not enable you to update your website directly. What you can do is wait for an upgrade to release. So if an update is released that you do not have for your website, as usually updates are going to be applied automatically, an option is going to appear right here, a new section that says update available. Do you want to update? So it's going to appear right here at the top of the page. You can see currently our website is up to the latest update, so we have no option to update it. So what you can do guys is, when you see the option right here, is to update it, or you can get started contacting your hosting provider. They also give you a notice you can contact your hosting provider if you want any new updates that your hosting provider is providing. But if you want to directly update your WordPress website, you will have to wait for an update to appear right here, otherwise you're up to the latest update. So yes, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.